Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are on the off-ramp.
Welcome to our channel. Don't know if you've been watching us recently, but we haven't posted a lot of videos recently, but we are ready to get back at it.
So we've got 1 week to go till our first expedition as snowbirds.
So as retirees, you hear about people leaving Canada and heading south. We are happily in the center of Canada, living in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and we are just hanging out in our favorite park. It's minus, what was it today?
Minus 25, wind chill about minus 35.
We have embraced winter. Last winter we did a lot of hiking, but this winter we're ready to call ourselves snowbirds.
Yeah, the borders have opened up. We can travel, so we're gonna try our first snowbird trip and head south. So we've been, over the last few months, slowly building things up and getting ready and just stuff ready for in the van. We won't be living in the van for the first 3 days or so because it'll probably be a little too cold while we're traveling, but our van is not exactly built for winter camping.
Oh, well, people do it. We're ready to, you don't want to do the whole antifreeze in the tanks and
No.
we'll just stay in hotels for a couple of nights and then we're in warm temperatures because we're looking forward to leaving the snow and trying something different. We've got it all mapped out. What was the app that we used again to plan our trip?
So using RV Trip Wizard, we've got our route mapped and we're traveling through, I think it's 12 states. It'll be about 14,000 kilometers, probably a little bit more yet, but about 14,000 when we're done. And ending up on Vancouver Island somewhere in April. In fall, I did what every good Canadian boy knows you should do. When you get your vehicle ready for wintertime, you fill the tank up with fuel. This Canadian boy does not know what you do with diesel fuel. So I found out that with diesel fuel, you actually need to leave your tank as empty as possible because I had summer diesel fuel on there and you need winter diesel, which has an anti-gel agent in it. So
There you go.
I called up a friend that we know through Leisure Travel Vans. Thanks Don Clausen for being a help. He's been with Leisure Travel Vans ever since they started manufacturing and he knows the vans quite well. So he said, oh, you should not have filled it up. So, but then I got anti-gel agent. I put that into the fuel tank yesterday. So when we start it up, it should be ready to go. It is being stored inside, so it's not as bad as being outside. So it's slowly getting done anyway.
Okay, here it is. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Way to go! Well, we're showing you how brave we are as we walk in this cold, but I don't know if I quite put all my warmest gear on for this walk. But it is beautiful. This is Manitoba, Canada at its best. When the light is going low and the shadows are getting long and everything's thickly covered with fresh white snow. We aren't running away from this. We love our Manitoba winters.
But I think I love warm weather more.
We'll like the change, that's for sure.
So I was saying, we also rented a shop, a heated shop. So on Saturday we'll bring the van there, load it all up, put my our coach batteries back in.
Load it up with our clothes and stuff.
Yeah, a little clothes stuff, and then Sunday morning we'll be taking out of a warm shop. There we go, right here.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi there. So Sunday morning we'll be ready to go. The van will be warm, and then we'll head off and bring the car back home, and off we go. Our first stop is probably going to be Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We'll stop there and go overnight, and then we'll see how the weather goes from that point on.
Well, if we believe the weather reports for the areas that we want to stop, we're going to have nice travel days. We don't have to worry, but we're giving ourselves lots of time. The entire trip we've given ourselves lots of time.
Yeah.
And we're going to be gone 4 months. 4 months living together in our van and just exploring together. We're looking forward to that.
Yeah, it should be good. It'll be good. Lots of things we're going to
Sound
get
like
to
you're trying
explore.
to convince yourself.
No. Okay.
Do it again?
No, just continue.
Yeah, we're just thinking about how weird it'll be to park right next. Oh, that's snowmobile. Wow. How weird it'll be to park right next to the ocean, and we're going to make sure we don't go anywhere where our tires can't handle it. And we've watched lots of other YouTubers. Thank you very much for your advice. And we're going to really love that feel of being able to just sit by the ocean and have a cup of coffee. And I don't know, Wade's going to have fun with his drone.
Yeah, we'll be practicing the drone and using the drone.
Yeah.
Funny enough here, I just got a warning on my phone screen. It said extreme wind chill warning out. So
Yeah, we get those warnings on our phones if they know where we are. And so yeah, extreme means your face will freeze quickly.
but it's not gray hair on my beard and my chin, it's all frost.
Oh yeah, you are developing a little frost on your face. Yeah, I'm feeling the cold, but it's good to fill the lungs with nice, clean, cool air.
Yeah.
I'm not minding this at all.
Yeah, we've been inside a little bit too much lately with all the cold weather and winter storms and that, so
We haven't taken advantage of the winter this year as much.
no,
That's because we're counting on our trip south.
we are kind of counting on it. So we also have some friends that'll most likely be joining us when we're in Phoenix, and we even hope to catch a jet ski in there as well. So Winnipeg Jets hockey teams.
Yay! Find us on the screen. It'll be fun.
It's been quite a while since we've crossed the border.
Yeah, I don't know the last time we've driven across the border. We did go on a vacation just before COVID hit and was able to go leave Canada then, but this will be our first time in a long time. So as we approach the US border, we're curious about how long the waits are to cross. How busy will it be at this time of year? We're hoping not busy at all.
Semi-trucks are busy.
Yes. Good thing. We need the semi-trucks. We need our goods transported.
In 200 meters, continue straight onto I-29 South. Continue straight onto I-29 South.
Well, no lineups. Look at that.
I don't know if that's
Welcome to
ever
the United
happened.
States of America. Continue on I-29 South for 264 kilometers.
Do I look American now?
No, you don't look. I don't think there's a look. But we did make it across into the US and we are excited. There was a bit of a pause. We just kind of had to flash our printed vaccination proof papers. He didn't really scan them or anything.
But he looked to see if we had them though.
That's true, he did ask for them. And what is the other thing he asked?
And he asked if we'd ever been arrested or fingerprinted. So I had to say, well, I have been fingerprinted because it was for a precautionary test for working with vulnerables. So
Yeah, so as a working with young people here
and older adults.
and older adults, so we have to do a police record check and make sure that we are safe adults to work with kids. And as a result, Wade had to be fingerprinted, and that was on record. So he, I guess, was just checking to see if we know. I totally forgot about that. And I did not have to be fingerprinted for that same check.
Well, so that's our short video introduction. I can't talk.
Our face is getting too cold to even talk, but yeah.
Short video introduction to our trip. There you go.
Yeah, we're starting off on our winter cold. Hopefully the next video you see of us is somewhere warm. But we know that as things are in these times, that we need to hold our plans loosely. See you again. Like our channel, hit the like button, follow us, and join us on our journey.